Sifuna is someone that I'm going to miss. There is a lot that we were doing together. For the political leadership that is there now, I want you to know that wherever we pass, we who have been there, we are always asked, na sasa, nyinyi, wakati wenu haikukuwa hivi, what do you think about this? So we also have information. We also have ways to influence, the thinking of our people. And that's why I was using Sifuna, to test my arguments. Pole sana. I see my my former student here, Wajakoyo. I'm happy that you are here. I taught Wajakoyo in St. Peter's Mumias Form 5 and 6. And I'm happy that I have... just a little bit about Wajakoyo. When he talks about marijuana, people wanted to take it lightly. I started Googling, and I saw you were right. Maybe that is something that you can pursue. Otherwise, for me, I just... Okay. Last, I want to say, I and Mheshimiwa have remained steadfast from 2005 when we chose to go Chungwa, when the rest of the county here was going banana. We have remained in ODM, and that is why I would have liked that maybe his coffin should have been draped in ODM colors. Asante sana kwa kunisikiliza.
Thank you, Mheshimiwa Munyasia. Lips trembling is a sign of an insult. Asante Mheshimiwa Munyasia. Daktari, the newest doctor on the block. Daktari Bifoli Wakoli.
Mama ambayo amepoteza baba, Prime Minister Emeritus, His Excellency the King, and